Now I want to tell you something. There's this story my father told me. He says, they went to a funeral once and there was an old man there, probably about 80 years old. His wife had died. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on her. And the Shaykh said, "Oh Allah, unite him and her in Jannah forever." Now the old man is crying. He says, "Wallah, I miss my wife, ya Shaykh, but come on, it's been 70 years together. I have to stay with her forever." Then he starts talking, "But I've had this trouble and that problem with her, and I'm going to have an old woman again in Jannah. I want some of those other women up there." So the Shaykh said to him, "But if you see your wife in Jannah, she's not going to look the same at all as here, nor are you. She'll be transformed." I met one of those older people and I said to him, "When you see your wife in Jannah, you're going to look at her and think, oh my God, it's the Hur al-Ain, Allahu Akbar. One thread of her hair, if it were to be shown on the earth, it will light up more than the sun. In the hadith, if she spat in the ocean, it'll turn it all sweet." And then they tell her, "This is your wife." And he'll say, "Subhanallah, how beautiful she is." And they'll say, "That was your wife in the former world." He says, No, this is not my wife. It can't be. My other wife used to be like this, and she used to give me a headache, and whenever I came back late from work, she'd give me a Q&A session, and then if that wasn't enough, she'd keep talking and talking until we fell asleep, and I had to wake up late to work and that's not my wife. They say, "Yes, it is. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken away all the negativity from you and her, and all the ugliness, and everything that used to exist." I'm not saying that they're ugly here. I'm saying the ugliness, whatever exists of ugliness in men and women, and we all have that.